Let's have some tea and biscuits. Enough! Mama! Oh, God! You're killing me! Take it!
This is rather peaceful.
Ow! Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Oh, pardon me. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Oh! I'm an arm!
Pagliaccio!
Probably want a cracker. Glee! Read the directions! You like to share? Don't get my box wet. Mama told me not to come. Aye! Time out! Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Hey, get me all broken. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Have you been to the moon? Boring. I don't get it. No, not that. What do you think? I'm silly putty? No, not that. Nothing is safe. That's not right. I'm not happy that way. Do you know anyone famous? Babushka! Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. I am wrapped in darkness. Oh! No! That's not good. I want to see the basement in the Alamo. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Oh! Mr. Fantastic! Oh! Oh, got him! So, what do you want to do? No. Ow! 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 Listen. Ooh, it also smells bad. No! You're a terrible person. I can't feel anything. No. Oh my God. Ow! 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 No. So... Do I look tasty? Hey, it's lonely here. Do I look tasty? Just call me Indiana. Dun, dun, dun. Nothing happens, and I actually like it. Boring. Anything I could read for a few minutes? You might want to put that back. I live in a box. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright?
This is rather peaceful.
No, it is a donatito. No, not that. Fetch me some coffee, please. That's my world. Oh, pardon me. Matryoshka. Don't get my box wet. I don't get it. Read the directions. Oh my God. Nothing is safe. There's nothing sacred. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Choose something else. Care to dance? Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Pagliaccio! I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Can you turn me toward the TV?